Welcome. Today I'm going to plant a camellia that my husband bought for me. It's going to bloom just in time for Valentine's Day. One he bought me is a Kramer's Supreme Camellia. It's going to have this really nice red flower. I'm really looking forward to it. Just in case you don't know, camellias bloom in the winter. It's average size. It's slow growing, goes from 6 to 8 feet. This one is on a trellis, so I want it to grow along the wall. You water it regularly when the topsoil is dry. Camellias like partial sun. I get partial sun here on the patio. In this little section of my patio, we definitely get less than 3 hours of sunlight. The camellias are great for zones 8 through 10. Camellias bloom in the winter. Camellias are slow growing, get to be about 6 feet to 8 feet. A few things I got from my patio: water catcher. Then I got this plastic pot, super lightweight, and yet it's stylish and pretty. It'll look nice with the trim on my house. One of the first things you need to do when you get your planter and before you plant your plant is to punch the holes out on the bottom. I did this just using a screwdriver and I just hit it, took out. I punched it. These little holes come out. That's all there is to that. So then what people usually do is they put a broken pot on the bottom. I don't happen to have a broken pot, but we live close to Yosemite. I have this piece of rock that I found on the side of the road near Yosemite. I'm going to go ahead and put this over the holes at the bottom of the pot. That way it allows the holes not to get full of dirt. Plant can drain. So right now I'm going to gauge how deep I want to plant it. So I need to figure out how much dirt to put at the bottom. You don't want to put any dirt higher than the dirt that's right at the top of the pot. From what I can tell, I need to add about that much dirt at the bottom. So I'm using just regular potting mix. You can use different soils for camellias. They really love an acidic soil, giving it acidic fertilizers. Right now I'm using regular potting mix. So I put the potting mix at the bottom and I'm checking again to make sure that it's going to be at the height I want. I think we're there. Don't like their root ball to be disturbed. Out of the old pot as gently as I can. I'm going to put it in the decorative pot. And now we just wait for it to bloom. Today I'm going to plant an azalea. This azalea, Kramer's Supreme Azalea. Did I say azaleas? It's a camellia.